everyone! Mabuhay! I'm Lance Albert Cruz Villaseñor, nag-uulat sa inyo tungkol sa diversity dito sa Pinas, sa hotel industry. Diversity inclusion have become a crucial priorities in hospitality management industry. Kumbaga po, mas pinaprioritize po ngayon ng mga hotel ang sa mga tao, pag-entertain, ganun, para mas marami o mas mataas yung kanilang renta or kita sa buwan na yon. As the sector 6 reflects the global nature of cliente, hotel, change and independent operators are fostering a more diverse, inclusive workforce at all levels. This shift is not a just response to social demands for equity, but also strategic decision has proven and improved the company culture and the bottom line performance. Kumbaga po, kada buwan nagkakaroon po tayo ng performance rate, kung okay po ba yung tinatakbo ng kumpanya natin o ayos lang ba o hindi naman pangit yung tingin ng mga tao sa ating kumpanya. Study shows that diversity in the leadership role leads to greater innovation, better than decision making, and increased employee satisfaction. Hotel with more diverse management teams reported 15% increase in customer satisfaction rating, a 10% boost in revenue. Kumbaga po, yung 15% daw po is yung sa increase ng customer satisfaction rating. Kung nasisiyahan po ba yung customer natin sa takbo ng pamamahala natin sa hotel, ganun po yun. Leading hotel brands like Marriott International, Hilton, and Accor are introducing diversity focused initiatives such as leadership development programs, mentorships, and partnerships with the diversity organization. Thank you po. Ito po yung example ng diversity.